Today we're converting from degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. And this degrees converts to this, and I'm going to show you how that happens, okay?
Is that
15.735 degrees. You're going to get ugly decimals, and then you're going to convert them to degrees, minutes, and seconds. What I was telling them is that degrees, minutes, and seconds is another way to find a specific location, like a decimal. And when you think of a circle and you think of minutes, there's 60 minutes in a circle and there's 60 seconds in a minute, so it really narrows it down. So between every minute there's 60 tick marks. So it shows you the exact location in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Can you visualize that? Is that good?
No, I just lost it for a second.
The whole number is going to be the degree part. And to find the minutes, you multiply 0.735, the decimal part, by 60. Everybody do that on your calculators.
Just a reminder to...
The first thing you do is you take the whole part of the decimal, and that's your degrees. Then you multiply the decimal by 60, and then you take the whole part of that, and that is your minutes. And now you multiply 0.1 by 60, and you get your 6. So now we're going to do negative 220.493. And I'm making this up. So usually when I make things up, they're not pretty. Well, they're going to work. You can convert anything. So when it's a negative, don't put in the negative sign in the calculator because you're going to get the wrong answer, okay? So you're going to do the degrees, minutes, and seconds. We know it's negative 220. We're going to say it's negative 220, but you're not going to put any negative numbers in your calculator, okay? Then you're going to multiply 0.493 by 60 and tell me what you get. We're going to put the 29 here. And then what do you subtract 29 from that number? If it's a long decimal, just subtract 29 from it. And then multiply that by 0.60. So you're going to multiply that 0.58 times...
you don't put the 58 with it.
And then you do it again, and what do you get?
34.8.
And I wouldn't put a decimal up here, and I wouldn't put a 34. Why would I not put a 34? Round it up to 35. So this is degrees, minutes, and seconds.
So you leave the...
So we're going to take 39 plus 5 times 1 over 60 plus 34 times 1 over 3600 and just put it all in your calculator, okay? The only problem you're going to have is if it's negative again. Let's say it's negative 42 degrees, 6 minutes, and 28 seconds. You're not going to put that negative sign, but you're going to make sure you put it at the end, okay?
Sorry, what?
You're not going to put the negative sign in your calculator, otherwise you will get the wrong number. If when you get your answer, it's not 42 point something, you know you did something with the negative sign. So just pay attention to that. So it's going to be 42 plus 6 times 1 over 60 plus 28 times 1 over 3600. And I made this up, so you guys tell me what it is and make sure you agree.